Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing an updates video. Welcome back. I am back from my long break. Let's start off 2019 with a bang. I know it's a little late, but I had to take a break just so I could get ready for this. I am getting a new logo. I have recolored my logo, as you might see, changed my banner, and I might even get a new logo design soon. But yeah, as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and let's get on with the updates. So as you might know, I wanted to take a little break just so I could get back into it. I have redone my whole slime room. I have new lights and better lighting now, and it's gonna be great. So let's go over my upload schedule. For my uploads, I will upload on YouTube every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern, every Friday for a restock video at 7 p.m. Eastern, and then every Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern for a fun video, just like on Wednesday. Then for Instagram, I will be posting every day at 6 p.m. Eastern. So for more updates, I have just been so crazy this year with a lot of schoolwork, and I've caught up, and I'm ready to put my time back here, and I'm having a restock this Sunday at 3 p.m. So get ready for that. I'll have some Valentine slimes and stuff. So yeah, and I am totally ready to come back. I know I've said it, I'm back so many times, but I want to start off 2019 well, and I am so excited. So I hope we have a great 2019. So this video sort of symbolizes me having a new slime lab. We're having a fresh start here. It's gonna be so much fun this year, and I hope you're excited too. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for Friday for our restock video.